It's just too long. American Express. We realise the potential.
Why do you love your Lumia?
My Lumia improves my life.
It's one of the greatest features as a people hub. LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter,
WhatsApp, messaging.
all in one place.
What's really cool about this phone is I can have a tile for every part of my life.
You can completely make it your own.
We don't have the same thing as everyone else.
Judged by the bright pink, I'm feeling very happy.
They're not unique.
On the mixed radio, somehow you just get all the songs right.
This Christmas, every kid will want a bike, and mums and dads will want one of these half-price ones. How about an Apollo Marvin the Monkey for your cheeky little monkey? Or with a pretty pink dog carrier, maybe the new Apollo Cupcake is for the girly girl. Stand back, everybody, the new Apollo Starfighter with foam dark on. And don't worry, we'll build and safety check them for free, and if you pop in and collect by 26 November, you'll get a free £10 accessories voucher. That's helpful, that's Halfords. There you go, Mum. Don't do this to Nan this Christmas. Buy a new dining set this Christmas from oakfurnitureland.co.uk. All with free delivery at amazing prices. This solid oak table and 6 chairs is only $7.99. Treat those relatives to this elegant mango dining suite for just $6.99 now, and it's guaranteed to deliver free in time for Christmas. For solid real wood and a very happy Nan. oakfurnitureland.co.uk.
Moonpig has thousands of card and gift ideas, and generally, the machine there's our personalised cards,